Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to measure yourself for baggy pants like this. Without wasting your time, let's get down to business. One of the issues we run into is most of us try to measure our waist as if we are measuring a normal pant. You're not meant to be doing that. Something you're going to do is make use of your hip measurement. This is my hip. That's where I'm going to use for the measurement of my waist instead. After putting the tape around your hip, a quick tip that is going to help you is just think of yourself pulling your baggy pants. You know how free it is, it can easily come out from your waist and your ass. So that same thing I'm just going to do, same procedure I'm going to use in getting the measurement that I feel comfortable with. And as you can see, I got 45 out of it. You see? Now let's get down to the lap. The easiest way to get your lap is just get the perfect measurement of your lap. When I mean perfect, like that perfect measurement, you can see how close and tight that I put mine. Not too tight, bro. Not too tight, but you understand what I mean. I got 24.5 out of it. Now you're just going to add 9 inches to it. So you're going to do the same thing to your own specific measurement. Going down to the knee. Luckily, we don't even need the knee measurement because using a knee measurement is just for fitting pants like a palazzo or a suit trouser. And now we are down to the foot. The foot determines how baggy you want below the trouser to be. So mine, I'm making use of 22. I feel like that's what I want, but you can go further to 25, 30 or something higher. It just depends on your stats. Now we are down to the length. Make sure you start measuring from where your pants starts from. In case there's nobody to measure you, just do the same procedure I'm doing, where I hold the tape and pause, and I hold the tape again and pause until I get to the ending of where I want it to be. And also, if you want to get the excess length baggy pants normally have that make it just look cool, just place your tape from your waist down to the floor. See where I'm pointing? And mine gave me 41, so that's what I'm going to use for my main length for the baggy pants. Thank you guys for watching down to this point. I hope this video was helpful. In case you also still facing some challenges in an area I didn't explain clearly, make sure you drop it on the comment section so that I can make a video in depth in that part. And also, if you want to learn how to cut it and also sew it, drop it on the comment section. And for you to get notified, try to subscribe to my channel. And the only way you can support me here is liking, sharing, and commenting. I love you guys. See you in my next video.